Drew?
Well, in today's video, we want to show you as much of our summer adventures as possible. And today we're going to take you to the Grand Canyon. We actually had the opportunity to go to the North Rim, but we're going to split this up into two videos. So today we'll show you part one. And we had never been to the North Rim. We went to the South Rim.
Yeah, with David, the kids, Kelly.
That was several years ago.
Yeah. Good trip. Very
we
good
stayed
trip.
in Williams, at Williams KOA.
First time.
And that's the first time you went skydiving.
So what are we doing today? What's going on?
Skydiving.
Oh, that's crazy, man. Well, you ready to do it?
Absolutely.
Any words with folks back home?
Yeah, that's crazy.
I don't know about that.
You're right.
I'm with you, man. We're gonna have some fun. Let's do it, brother. Cheers. Thanks for hanging out with us, guys. You ready to do this, brother?
Absolutely.
Put it here. Ready, man? Solid.
5 years ago, I had the opportunity to do something that was on the bucket list of mine. Me and our oldest son, David, and his wife, Kelly, got the opportunity to skydive over the Grand Canyon. Now, we didn't jump in the canyon, but when we flew over it, we could see the canyon. And it was just an awesome experience. The gentleman that I jumped with liked a few jumps, having 10,000 jumps. But the first few seconds when you come out of that plane before you pull the chute, I just don't have words to describe it. So I would just encourage you, if you get the chance and opportunity, to jump out of a perfectly good airplane. Yeah, and that's where we rented a Class A motorhome.
Yeah.
And then took it.
That kind of helped us with our decision on what kind of, well, or even the decision to do this. We liked it so well.
We done made the decision. It helped her with her decision on what she wanted.
Not to take away from anybody with a motor coach.
Well, it's
but,
she just made up her mind.
It could have just been the one that we rented, but it seemed like everything in that motor coach rattled when we were going down the road.
Well,
I don't like things to rattle when I'm going down the road.
Everything in ours rattles. You just can't hear it in the truck.
Yes,
so, yeah.
we don't hear it.
You just can't hear it in the truck.
So we had an awesome trip that summer at the South Rim.
Yeah.
And like I said, we were close enough to the North Rim. I think it was about 78 miles that we traveled. But we rode from Kanab. We rode the motorcycle down. It was a beautiful day. And
a little chilly though.
Yeah. So there at the North Rim, today in this video, we're going to take you on two hikes. We went to Bright Angel Point Trail and to the Nature Trail, I believe it's called. They're both pretty short hikes, and they're right there behind the lodge.
Yeah, real short hikes.
Very easy.
I wouldn't even call it a hike.
No, just a scenic, a little longer scenic overlook.
Well, just a scenic overlook, yeah. It wasn't no hike.
No, it wasn't a hike. For me, it was a hike because the first one was about a mile down there and back.
Huh?
Yeah. It was about a mile down there and back.
Whatever you said.
But it was very pretty.
It was nice.
So let's get to the video.
Let's go.
Today, go along with us to the Grand Canyon North Rim. We begin our journey in Kanab, Utah, and travel 78 miles south on Highway 89A to Highway 67 into the Grand Canyon National Park. You know how old the Grand Canyon is?
Older than dirt.
Older than dirt. Well, it's believed that it's over 6 million years old. But a recent study in 2012 showed that it could possibly be as old as 70 million years old. That's a long time.
Yeah, I ain't quite that old.
Well, we're here at Bright Angel Point. It's not too far down there. About a half a mile down there and back, I think.
Okay.
Let's go for it.
Yeah.
Just looky over yonder. This is the north rim of the Grand Canyon. Oh. What? What is it?
That's as close as you're going to get to looking right straight down.
Ricky climbed this rock. It's out here on this point. Don't lose your balance.
behind it and everything. And then I was looking at him thinking, you know, and we're really looking at the remnants of his judgment on the earth, the flood and all that.
Absolutely.
We see the remnants of that. Yeah.
Yeah, but people don't see that. They don't see what's happening today either. And
Oh, they don't? Yeah, yeah.
We saw one big rock out. It was kind of in the separated from the other mountain rocks.
Yeah.
That looked just like a petrified Noah's Ark.
Oh, really? There it is.
It was on our way to.
yeah, that's what I've
It was on our way to Kanab. We're going to go out on this point. Isn't that beautiful? So you look way over there on top of the rock. That is Bright Angel Point. And that's the rock that Ricky was standing on earlier. And this is just a point that's up behind the lodge. I'll turn around so you can see the lodge, the back of the lodge. And just look across there.
Well, the Grand Canyon is one of the most visited national parks in the United States. It is 1 mile deep, 277 miles long, and 18 miles wide, and is bigger than the state of Rhode Island. Summer or fall is the best time to visit the North Rim because it is closed to traffic in the winter. Check the park website for opening times.
Well, we hope you enjoyed this first part of the Grand Canyon North Rim, and in an upcoming video soon we'll be showing you the second part of the North Rim, where we went down to, and I got to look at my notes, we went to Cape Royal, and that's on the northeast side of the Grand Canyon.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
It was about 20 miles down that road until we got to the scenic overlooks.
Yeah.
But that was
a little piece down there. But they had
several points to walk, several rocks to walk out on.
Yeah.
So we'll be bringing that to you in the next week or so. And right now, we just want to thank you all for following us along on our journey. Anything you want to say?
Yeah, we're going to soar right on out of here.
But no, the time has flown. I'm going to be like him when he's preaching. I'm going to end this thing 3 or 4 times today. So the time has really flown since we've been here. We're wintering, and you see us with our jackets on. It is a little cool today. Normally here in southern Texas, if the sun's not out, the air feels cool. But if the sun were out today, it would be warmer.
Yeah, that's just the law of nature of the sun shining on you, but yeah.
But time has flown. We came here the middle of October, and we've already been here 3 months. And we have a couple more months to go, and then we'll be heading on back up to Tennessee for a little while. So we just want to thank all of you who are following us on this journey. And we are soaring together and living life in different places.
Texas right now.
Texas.
Don't forget, like and subscribe so you won't miss the second part of our Grand Canyon North Rim adventures, where we take you to Roosevelt Point, Angel's Window, and many more awesome Grand Canyon views. Thanks for watching.